Hey, welcome to Sales Funnel Mastery. I'm Brandon Stiles, an Atlanta digital marketer, and today we're going to talk about tracking codes and how to track the effectiveness of your links on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff to see where you're getting your best ROI for your marketing. So you ever have that problem where you're trying all these different social media strategies? You're trying Facebook, you're trying Instagram, you're posting YouTube videos like I am and all that kind of stuff, and you're getting traffic, but you don't know where it's coming from. Okay, because you might post the same blog post link everywhere and you get 1,000 views, but what if 900 of those are coming from Facebook? Well, then I would say you need to optimize your strategy and probably just focus on Facebook. That's giving your best ROI for your offline marketing. But how can you tell that if you just send a link? Because if you go into your Google Analytics, you're not going to be able to tell anything. It'll just say, this page is viewed this many times. Well, the answer to that is a Google UTM code. Now, what is a UTM code? Well, UTM stands for Urchin Tracking Module, and what it does is it allows you to fix certain parameters to a URL link that you want people to click on so that you can see where those people are coming from. So we're going to dive on in and see how you do that right now. So here we are on the home page of Google, and all you're going to type in is UTM links. And it's going to come up right there under your campaign builder. Now let's say you had just written a blog post and you wanted to post it on Facebook in a Facebook group. You wanted to send it out to your Twitter followers, and then you wanted to send it in an email blast to some of your subscribers. So this is what you would do. Let's say the website URL was this, www.brandonstiles.com. So in that section, you're just going to put your website, whatever it is, and then link to your blog post. So I might put blog, and then I might put example post. Okay, so there's the blog post I want people to link to, and I want to see where most of my traffic is coming from. Now here's where UTM codes are cool, because you can actually affix, like I said, parameters to the end to track all of this, so there's no more guesswork involved. So let's see how to do that. So if I wanted to test out 3 channels, you would create 3 tracking codes. So I'm just going to create codes. So right now I'm just going to create 1, but you would just do the exact same thing for the other 2 channels, or however many you want to do. So for this campaign source, I'm going to start with Twitter. So I'm going to type in Twitter. I'm going to skip campaign medium, and then I'm going to name, you don't have to, I'm going to name the campaign blog post traffic source. If you have any keywords you're trying to rank for, you could put them in here. I'm not worried about that just for this one. I just want to see who is clicking on my blog post and from where. Under the campaign content, I'm not going to put anything under that either. Most of the time, you're going to just be putting your URL, your campaign source, and then your campaign name, just so you can keep track of things as best practice. So when you scroll down, you will now see a UTM code has been created for you. Now if you post that on Twitter, which is what I just created as my campaign source, then anytime someone clicks that link, Google is going to register it as a click link for Twitter. So on the back end of your Google Analytics, you can actually see this exact URL and see the traffic that's coming just from that. Now another cool thing you can do with this is convert it to a short link, because this looks a little bit spammy. If I saw it on Facebook, I'd be like, that guy's probably trying to kidnap me and kill me. So what you can do is you can convert that to a short link, and it will take that long, kind of shady looking link and make it shorter, so it doesn't look as spammy. This is something people would be a lot more comfortable clicking on because it's not as long, it doesn't look as intimidating and scary. So that's how you can see which social media platforms are working the best for you. And when you find it, maybe put more of your eggs in that basket and put a little bit more money into that social media channel. Like I said, you would create 3 of these. You would put the individual links on the individual channels and see which works best. I'm Brandon Stiles. I'm a digital marketer and sales funnel expert out of Atlanta. Hope you enjoyed.